Connecting Google Wi-Fi to an existing router.
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing the steps to connect Google Wi-Fi to an existing router. If you're looking to extend your Wi-Fi coverage or improve the performance of your network, connecting Google Wi-Fi can be a great solution. So let's get started.
Checking compatibility.
Before we dive into the setup process, it's essential to ensure that your existing router is compatible with Google Wi-Fi. Google Wi-Fi is compatible with most routers, but it's always a good idea to check the requirements to avoid any compatibility issues. Make sure your router has an available Ethernet port and supports DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol.
Unboxing and connecting Google Wi-Fi.
Now that we've confirmed compatibility, let's move on to the physical setup of Google Wi-Fi. Unbox the Google Wi-Fi units and connect one of them to your existing router using an Ethernet cable. Plug one end of the cable into the Ethernet port of your existing router and the other end into the WAN, Wide Area Network, port on the Google Wi-Fi unit.
Powering on Google Wi-Fi.
Once you've connected the first Google Wi-Fi unit to your existing router, power it on by plugging it into a power outlet. The device will begin booting up, indicated by the LED lights. Wait for the light to turn solid blue, indicating that the device is ready for setup.
Setting up Google Wi-Fi network.
To complete the setup process, you'll need the Google Wi-Fi app, which you can download from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up a new network. The app will guide you through the process, including naming your network, creating a Wi-Fi password, and selecting a location for your Google Wi-Fi unit. Ensure you choose a location that is central and accessible to provide optimal coverage for your entire space.
Adding additional Google Wi-Fi units, optional.
If you have additional Google Wi-Fi units, you can expand your network by adding them to the setup. Follow the instructions provided in the app to add more units. The app will help you determine the best placement for the additional units to ensure seamless coverage throughout your home or office.
Testing and troubleshooting.
After completing the setup and adding any additional units, it's important to test your network to ensure everything is functioning correctly. You can use the Google Wi-Fi app to run a network speed test and check the strength of your Wi-Fi signal in different areas. In case you encounter any issues during the setup or experience connectivity problems, don't worry. Google provides excellent support resources on their website, including troubleshooting guides and a community forum where you can find solutions to common problems. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Google Wi-Fi to your existing router. This process allows you to extend your Wi-Fi coverage and enjoy a seamless network experience. Remember to follow the steps we discussed, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Google's support team. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.